Alright, Spencer Andrews, this video is for you. Instead of making tuna, make crappie just like your tuna. All you gotta do is boil it. Here you go. Alright, Spence. First, you gotta boil the crappie. Second, you gotta boil the eggs. Next, you're gonna take the eggs, and you're gonna take the crappie that's been boiled, and you're gonna put the other stuff in it. You're gonna dump some mayo in on the crappie, just like you're making tuna. This is peronaise. This is the real good stuff. It's Japanese mayonnaise. You're gonna put a little bit of this in there. So again, why are you buying tuna with mercury? You can eat freshwater crappie made like tuna. Why are you doing that again? You'd rather have tuna over crappie?